Hi, I'm Donna Massaro from localputnam.com, and I'm here today in Connor's kitchen, and we're going to make healthy turkey burgers. We're going to sneak some goodies in for the kids. Hi, Connor.
Hi, Donna.
How are you?
Thanks for coming to my kitchen.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, thanks for helping me out. I'm going to make some nice, healthy, low-fat turkey burgers.
Okay.
One of my favorite, and my kids love them too.
Excellent.
So yeah, I think we have everything that I need here. It's pretty simple, straightforward. We're going to start off with some regular ground turkey meat.
Excellent.
And I'm going to dump it in the bowl here. It's a regular standard plastic bowl.
For underneath your cutting board,
oh, cool.
So it doesn't slide, you can take a couple of paper towels.
When I'm chopping, it doesn't know this here?
Exactly.
Okay.
A couple of paper towels and just damp it a little bit under the faucet. Throw it down here. And you got a nice sturdy.
Wow.
How about that?
Damn.
Nice little trick.
Okay, that's great.
Watch out, Rachel Ray. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to continue mashing.
Of course, we're all nice and washed up. We cleaned our hands and our area around us.
Well, I cheated. I went to the store and I just bought a mix.
You know, whatever makes it go faster. You don't want to be stuck in the kitchen all day.
So I'm ready here. Well, while Donna's chopping the ingredients, I'm going to add in a 6-ounce can of tomato sauce, tomato paste,
yeah.
excuse me. This is going to moisten things up a bit and add some flavor.
What do you think, Connor? Do you have plenty here? You want a little more?
Oh, that's plenty. In fact, that's probably a little too much.
Okay.
So you've got to chop it up a little finer, actually.
Okay.
Do you want my chopper?
No, I prefer the knife, actually. I'm a little old school like that.
Okay. Well, I have one of these.
That's a late infomercial. So if you use your chef knife to chop up, which you should use your chef knife, try to roll it as you're chopping rather than banging down on the cutting board. It helps you to control your knife a little better, keep it a little safer, gives you a nice fine chop. A lot of good flavors going on in this turkey burger.
Now I'm going to add, let's see, what will I add today? It's really, you can add a little bit of any type of flavoring you have in the kitchen.
Okay.
This happens to be roasted garlic and herbs, so we'll add a little bit of that. If we're going to serve it to the kids, we don't want to make it too spicy.
Right.
We just want to give it just a little bit of a kick. Just to moisten up some more, I'm going to add in a whole egg.
Okay.
Because as we're adding in all these ingredients to mix it, so it's going to start getting very thick. We don't want it too thick. We still want to be moist.
Now, Connor, since you're making it so healthy, could you eliminate the yolk and just put the egg whites in?
Good idea. I guess you could, but the yolks aren't bad for you.
No, they're not bad for you. You need a little.
If you don't, as long as you don't eat too many during the week. I think the egg gets a bad rap sometimes.
Sure, they do.
You get those chickens working hard making those eggs.
Might as well eat them.
We don't want any unemployed chickens out there. Okay.
What's next?
I think I will want about half of that. That looks great, Donna.
Excellent.
Yeah. Very colorful.
It is beautiful.
And I'm going to add in some oatmeal, regular oatmeal.
How much oatmeal will you add?
I would probably about a half a cup.
Okay.
Not too much at first. You want to keep the moisture. This is looking good. I think we'll add those vegetables in. They're looking mighty colorful. And add in a little bit of sea salt.
Okay.
I will take a little bit more of that mix. Just to recap some of the ingredients in these yummy burgers, we have 2 pounds of ground turkey, a half a cup of oatmeal, 1 egg or 2 egg whites, some herbs, spices to season and taste, a half a cup of breadcrumbs, mix well, 6-ounce can of tomato paste, and a cup of red and green peppers with onion, finely chopped.
Gorgeous.
Mmm.
True test.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
That's
So what do you think,
good.
Donna?
I think it's delicious. Flavorful. I like the consistency of it.
All right.
Wonderful. Very nice, Connor. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
It's been a pleasure cooking with you today.
It's a pleasure having you.
Thank you.
Can you come over next week?
Absolutely.
Oh, super.
So you can get this recipe off of our website, www.localputnam.com. Have a great day. Thanks for joining us.
Take care.